So I'm Dan Coletti, owner of Sunwest Custom Homes and the residential designer of the 2020 New American Home. Having designed many homes in the Las Vegas Valley area, I've certainly learned how to capitalize on Western Window Systems' different kind of products. And in particularly, when you come to the front door of this home and you walk through this beautiful large pivot door, you're looking through a large multi-slide section, and you can look straight through the house, see the water from the pool, and then a stellar city view of Las Vegas beyond. So I have a couple of favorite spots in this house. One that I'm particularly proud of is our kitchen flows consistently from the inside of the house to an outdoor kitchen. And I'm really proud to know that the occupants of this home someday are going to enjoy many nice evenings cooking dinners inside and outside or whatnot, and having the ability to convert their home from being a truly outdoor living home and enjoying the indoor environment as well. A second favorite part in the home is our master bedroom. The view is so stellar from the bed itself, but you have this cool vantage point where you're looking through many multi-slides straight out the back. But then if you look to the left and you open the corner door unit, you're also going to see the pool, the backyard great room area, the fire feature, the bar beyond. And so this master bedroom with the corner door multi-slide system is really making you feel like you have this open space, and you're not just in an inside environment, but you can enjoy all the outdoor areas of the backyard as well.